All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're at right now. Today's Saturday. They actually have a bike weekend type thing going on here, like a little bike week. A lot of Harleys up here, a lot of custom bikes up here. They got a, I guess like a bike display down the road here on Fields Avenue. They got it all shut down and stuff. So we're gonna head up there today and check it out.
Yeah.
And Philo in the Philippines.
Hey guys.
He has come up and
Great to see you again.
we're gonna check out this event today. And what's at the store? She's holding down the fort, and today's my day to roam around and check things out up here. So that's what we're doing today. All right, guys, here we are. We're at the start of Walking Street. I got a lot of music playing, so I'm gonna have to string together a bunch of pictures and stuff and show you everything that's going on. Can't really walk and talk. But anyways, we're at the beginning here, and right off the bat, we got a beautiful Lamborghini. It's actually the owner of Candy Sweets. He owns this Lamborghini. I've seen it before. Very nice, very slick, very beautiful car. But this is the start of it, and we're gonna head down that way, and I'll just show you guys some of the bikes and some of the cars and some of the things going on. Yeah, but you could win it for what, 500?
You could win it for 500 pesos.
There you go.
You have to be there. You need to be present to win.
It's all over there. Leave up money. On that guy.
Yeah.
Can you capture somebody else?
Afternoon.
There's no houses. That's why they grab
I was like, he's good.
It's a tank. Tires on it. Mommy and maybe went to McDonald's just
Got them all here.
yeah. That's one of the newer Harleys right there. That's replacing the Dyna.
The ride hard and play hard. Yeah.
Kawasaki.
Vulcan.
You never even know. How without looking at it. You never know. It's a midget bagger.
That's wild.
Get on. Complete package. It's pretty cool. Let's follow me.
Alright guys, that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed that little stroll down through Fields Avenue Bike Week. You know, like I said, there's a lot going on here in Angeles City. Things like this, I think it's once a year. Now, I've been here, did this, walked through this show a few years back, but it seems like it's growing bigger and bigger every year. Actually have something going on up at Clark, up in the parade field this evening. Maybe I'll head up there and do some filming, but yeah. A lot of cool stuff here, a lot of big bikes. Like I said, you don't see a lot of big bikes here in the Philippines. The only time you see this many big bikes is at an event like this, so I think it's pretty cool. Hope you guys enjoyed it.